Hinilimusan ko lang ng kaunti. Good as brand new. So, yun lang. Yan, dapat nasa gitna yung tubig. Ha, ganyan. Diyan, ha. These are what I use, guys. So we have here this metal cutter, the riveter, this level, the measure tape, and the blind rivet. So this is an 8 inches size of this ventilation. Okay. This will be 32 inches. Rivet. Ayan, meron tayong perfect na square. Ayan. Diba? Ayan po. Ayan. So, ready na siyang lagyan nito. So, ayan. Nag-cut tayo ng 4 na ganito para dito. Ayan. So, madumi siya kasi this is from scratch. Yung tira-tira natin sa ating ceiling. Ayan. pinakaano lang ito. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito yung tira-tira natin mula sa paggawa ng cabinet. So, ngayon, ito yung ating gagamitin para sa ating wire. Since, hindi ko naman na ito gagamitin. Take this off a little bit more. And then, let's connect this here. And make sure lang na hindi sila magkadikit. Because that's gonna be a big trouble. This is 220 volts electric here in the Philippines. So don't ever mess the electricity here. Okay. There we go. Nakagawa na rin tayo ng sabitan, which is made out of metal fairing as well. Okay, here's our stove on this side of the house, and then look at above. So those are our clothes that we just wash. Syempre, bawat luto, yung usok papunta doon, nangangamoy usok siya, which is not good. So dahil naalala ko nga na kailangan natin ng ventilation fan for our stove. Ngayon, when I looked on Lazada, it's 3,000 something. But if you do it yourself, okay, the ventilation fan is 400 pesos. Of course, kasi meron akong mga tira or leftover scratch metal from installing the ceiling. I am so excited to share it with you. So hopefully it works. Hey, there you go. Hindi lang siya perfect, guys, because I'm not professional. Turn it on. Ang lakas ng hangin. So, ayan. At yan yung dulo ng ating hose. So, diba?